In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Assassin's Creed Unity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up multiplayer. Now, while Assassin's Creed Unity does not offer split-screen co-op, you will be able to play with your friends online instead. To do cooperative missions together, first, the only requirement is that you have an internet connection. So, of course, you need to be online and properly connected to the internet. Now, the next requirement is that you complete Sequence 3. So, as you can see on this save file, I only completed Sequence 1. I'm still in the middle of completing it. But once you are done with Sequence 3 and you can keep track by opening the menu and going over the progress tracker, there will be a new option over here on the pause menu where it says Play Together. This is all you have to do to properly set up a multiplayer session with your friends and do missions together. So once you choose Play Together, you will be able to access your friends list for your Ubisoft account, invite them over, and play. All that you have to do is complete Sequence 3, and like I said, it is going to become available immediately. Now, after you choose Play Together, you will have the options to invite players to the actual lobby or party that you have, and once they accept the invite, you all will be matched up together. So this is all you have to do, and if you encounter any problems while trying to do this, I recommend that you visit the Ubisoft website. In there, you will have plenty of options related to linking and unlinking specific accounts. As long as you do the link properly, and you complete Sequence 3 inside of the game itself, go over to Play Together and invite your friends, you will be good to go. You can access the Uplay menu at any time to see which friends are online, and you can add new people here. So by using this function, you will be able to send requests, they will accept the invite, and all of you will be matched up in the same lobby for Assassin's Creed Unity Online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play multiplayer in Assassin's Creed Unity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.